Comrade la namhlanje besibiza ama-ward, ubuholi bama-ward, ubuholi bama-VD, ama-volunteer at large. Into yethu iyodwa iclear ama-elections. Now sikwimudi ama-elections, njoba sikwimudi ama-elections ke comrade. Konke mekukho comrade angibingelele ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila. Comrade ukhuluma ucomrade uSithembiso uqashane lamjoli Sibongo obesabanjiswe nje ukuba uorganizer wezone. Comrade la namhlanje besibiza ama-ward, ubuholi bama-ward, ubuholi bama-VD, ama-volunteer at large. Into yethu iyodwa iclear ama-elections. Now sikwimudi ama-elections, njoba sikwimudi ama-elections ke comrade. Konke mekukhona la sinyathelene khona samaqabana. Kubiza ukuthi njengamanje let us all be united under the banner of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party and to ensure ukuthi ukuze siwina ama-elections, one, we need to be united. Two, we need to be clear ukuthi Umkhonto Wesizwe yini oyifunayo comrade. And now kubiza ukuthi let us defend each other. Into ye character assassination yokuncolisana ama comrade siyeke ngoba ayilekeleli organization. Now ke comrade, our leadership engaphezulu sibonile ubuholi be region sebakhiwe election team, and for us as a Passport Phungula zone ama-ward ama-VDs is to support ubuholi esinikwe bona, ubuholi esibekelwe bona obuzosilida kuma elections. Thina ke as volunteers umsebenzi wethu comrade is very clear, is to work on the ground, is to ensure ukuthi each and everyone is registered to vote. Once we ensure that one and clarify into yomkhonto wesizwe comrade ne-ideology, because umsholozi every time comrade uhlezi preacher into ye-unity. Mhlampe sengivala ekweyokugcina ile ethi comrade kufanele siqinisekise ukuthi labantu babonayo bonke la mebehamba la baya khona abangafiki nje information igcine kubona, but they must submit to imiphakathi abaphuma kuyona bayitshela ideology yomkhonto wesizwe and silethe nalabo bangekho comrade within us, because ukuze si-achieve ama-elections sidinga ukuthi wonke umuntu oyimember yomkhonto wesizwe abe yi-part and parcel yomkhonto wesizwe, because ama-elections ngeke ngiwawine ngedwa, unobhala ngeke awawine yedwa, i-comrade even nawe comrade ngeke uwine ama-elections wethu, but ama-elections adinga wonke umuntu othanda i-organization and sim-recognize, because comrade once we do a mistake of not recognizing abantu on the ground, comrade, will be doing a very big mistake, because ama-elections awawinwa structure, but structure is giving a direction on how to win and emerge kuma elections. Therefore, comrade, as mhlawumbe umuntu obanjiswe lento yoku-organize, it is my wish comrade and my commitment to ensure ukuthi wonke ama comrade abayi-part and parcel ye program le esibhekene nayo yama election. Ngino comrade lawa se Ward 78 khona la eMlazi comrade, he's also committed kulento yokuthi ewadini yabo they wish ukuthi wonke abacomrade bawabuyise ndawonye bawabumbe bawenze nalawo macomrade bekunama views ahlukene. Now it's time yokuthi hlangana mhlatho wazanayo. Ngicabanga ukuthi kunjalo no
kunjalo comrade,
kunjalo no balance. Therefore ke comrade we put exactly comrade. Now lastly sengigcina comrade, we putting forward nakubantu abazokwazi ukuthi babuke le video all over the country eSouth Africa ukuthi baqinisekise ukuthi comrade, let us unite behind the banner of Umkhonto Wesizwe, and our enemy must be clear ukuthi GNU. Let us stop fighting amongst ourselves. Akuyilekeleli organization, akuyisizi organization, kunaloko kwenza ukuthi abantu basibuke njengabantu abalethe inkinga zalaba sibakhona. Njengamanje we need to reclaim our land, we need to reclaim the resources, we need to reclaim even the status somntomnyama. Therefore siyabonga kakhulu comrade, and we are committed ekwenzeni Umkhonto Wesizwe uwine nge2/3 majority. Mandla, 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 mandla. Kwasa Mkhonto, kwasa, kwasa Mkhonto, kwasa. Thank you very much. Siyawathatha ama elections. Wena Kresani Galuja, Epa Emo, Wena Kresani, Wena Oshaya Mapol, Wena Kresani Galuja, Epa Emo, Wena Kresani Galuja, Oshaya Mapol, Wena Kresani Galuja, Yantandu Kresani, Wena Kresani Galuja, Oshaya Mapol, Wena Kresani Galuja, Yantandu Kresani, Wena Kresani Galuja, Oshaya Mapol, Wena Kresani Galuja, Wenyamazane siya yabo, siya ya, Wenyamazane siya ya, siya ya, Wenyamazane siya yabo, siya ya, Wenyamazane akshubile, siya ya, Wenyamazane akerena, siya ya, Wenyamazane akwetutu, siya ya, Wenyamazane akwetutu, siya ya, Wenyamazane siya ya, Wenyamazane siya yabo, siya ya, Wenyamazane Wenyamazane